afternoon. My name is Eric Moreno.
I'm Zach Martinez.
Matthew Tush.
McConnell Jones.
So using the Doba Magician has been a very cool experience. We got to try everything from 3D printing to 3D modeling to using the gripper to using laser engravement. We're pretty much well oriented with the Doba Magician. And for this assignment, we got assigned to presenting the pen/drawing attachment, which you're viewing right now. One thing that this attachment emphasizes on is the accuracy of the Doba Magician. It is claimed in the instruction manuals that it is 0.2 millimeters displacement from a point. In other words, that is how much it can be inaccurate from a point, 0.2 millimeters. Yeah, so we actually have a picture here that the Doba Magician made. It's a picture of an LS1 engine. I don't know if you want to pass it around or something. Yeah, and this picture right here demonstrates how accurate the Doba Magician can be and how precise it can be. And right now we're doing another picture of a V-twin engine, I believe, and it's at 45%, so it's not even 50% there to completing it. But it looks quite different once it's shaded and once the robot actually finishes the drawing. It looks much more different, obviously. And yeah, is there anything you guys want to say?
Okay, yeah, so this attachment, it runs on a spring system, so it tries to keep the force constant onto the paper, but we found that you gotta have the Z-axis set like in a perfect position or it'll apply too much force. It could tear the paper or damage this pin right here. And then the drawings were not coming out as accurate, so setting that to the right position really helps accuracy. Another thing with that, so setting the speeds along with that force increases your accuracy too. So if we had it set up too fast, our drawing, I don't know, it jumps around quite a bit as it's drawing on the paper.
So it's not the speed like theirs was already chosen for the 3D printing. This one you can actually control.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can actually control the speed.
Right here on the operation panel, you can adjust the speed right here.
But the faster it goes, the less accurate it gets because it's just kind of rushing through the picture.
We've done a few other drawings too, and I think the more detail that is in the drawings, it gets harder for it to repeat it. So we did one over a car, and it had really fine lines on the drawing, and it had a lot of trouble making that one out.
Yeah. But the picture you're holding is by far the best one that we have come up with.
So where do you get those drawings from?
We get them from instruction manuals of vehicles, online, or just pictures online, sketches.
So anything you could place there?
Yeah, anything.
Any plot? What type of image fine?
The easier ones have been about the 2D images.
No, image file, the type. What can you said you could load anything, you said.
Yeah, usually a JPEG images.
It has to be a JPEG?
Yeah, JPEG.
Just JPEG or takes a bunch of other
Probably
formats?
do .text and PDF files as well. Might take
It does even PDF?
It'll probably take a little bit of modification.
That's nice.
So it's quite convenient.
If I give you my picture, can you print it?
I believe so, yeah. The first week, there was a group behind us. They drew a picture of Dr. Martin Luther King, and it came out really detailed. It was really good. And
So it's not just black and white. They have the shading in between.
it can shade. It does take a lot longer for you to shade it in, but it can shade.
For this paint.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nice.